Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix phone link not working in Windows 11. So first look at your taskbar and make sure that the energy saver is turned off. This can block background connection. Next, open the start menu and search for share across devices and open it. From there, click on here and then make sure that my devices only is selected. Then go back to settings, select apps here, then open installed apps, then scroll down and select system components here. Then go here to the search box and search for phone link. Then click the three dots here and choose advanced options. Now all you need to do is scroll down until you find terminate, click on this terminate, then click on this repair, and then after the repair is done, click on reset. Next, go back to the search menu here and search for run, open it, and here write exactly this message ws reset.exe and then click enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and should open Microsoft Store after that. So when you are here, go to library and go here, search for phone link. Then if it's open, then you are good. If it's showing you to update, all you need to do to update it, then open it. If this still not working for you, all you need to do, go back to the search bar here, search for settings. From settings, choose Bluetooth and device and make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And as a last step, you may need to unlink your phone and then reconnect it from scratch. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.